Over 5,000 persons don't collect better healthcare for the 5-day free medical mission where Lulu-Briggs Foundation organized for Ikuru Town, Adoni local government area for Rivers State. Among the people where this better healthcare reach their hand now, 132 persons will go through surgeries and 780 persons will collect eyeglasses. Chairman of the foundation, Dr. Seniye Obi Lulu-Briggs, wey do talk for the 38th medical mission, come talk say the foundation will continue to attend to the health and well-being of the people wey not get enough to afford good health for communities across Nigeria. She constantly talk say the foundation will also do talk with people to teach them and let them know how to prevent diseases.
Everybody deserves good health and the ability to seek quality care when the need arises. Our free medical missions routinely step in the gap, providing welcome respite to those who cannot afford to pay out of pocket to address their illnesses. The Ikuru Town Free Medical Mission is our 38th free medical mission and our second mission in Andoni local government area. Throughout this week, patients here in Ikuru will receive counseling and health education, outpatient consultations, and general surgery. Pediatric care and deworming, dental care, eye tests and treatment, including glasses and eye surgery, HIV testing and counseling are among the many clinics that are set up here. We also have a pharmacy and a lab on site to ensure comprehensive service.
We want to also use the opportunity to thank the Lulu-Briggs Foundation. From the address here, this is about 38 outreach you are carrying on, and this 38 cut across so many states, and Andoni is having 2 visits. Today is the second visit. The first was Unyada. Today we are running the program at Ikota. We are still praying that you also make out time and they be able to reach our other rural communities. You know that our local government is classified as a very rural dwelling place.
Some of the people with this better healthcare reach their hand come talk say,
my sister had hernia of the umbilical cord. When we went to hospital, they said to operate it will be 350,000. But because we did not have the money, she came back and she has been living with that pain. But yesterday, she was operated free of charge.
The eye problem I was having because I'm used to a computer. So I was having difficulties facing light. So when I complained to them, they decided to give me eyeglass after test.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojay Seli, TMC TV News.